we will be putting 3D printed parts on every one of the new next-gen cars.
I started Midwest Prototyping in 2001 with a stereolithography machine, and I'm growing to be one of the largest SLA providers in the United States.
Here at Purple Platypus, we're a diamond-level reseller partner with Stratasys. On site, we have all Stratasys technology offerings.
Relaunching an iconic brand like Radford, we set our stall out to only work with world-class companies. So when we looked at 3D printed parts, we looked at a world-class company. We looked at Stratasys.
There was some moments in the project where we didn't have enough printers, even running at full capacity. They wouldn't actually print enough parts in the time frame that we had. And we put all our faith into Stratasys Direct to basically create those extra parts in the short time frame that we had left.
The online ordering and online quoting is insanely helpful. Upload a part, get a quote, send it in, get it made. It's super easy.
A few years ago, we took it upon ourselves to reinvent the service bureau. What does a modern additive manufacturing service bureau look like, and what equipment do you need to make that happen? We brought in the Neil from Stratasys to facilitate that.
If a part needs to be aesthetically pleasing, we'd have to hand sand something like that. Building it on, Stratasys machine, you'll get that nice smooth sidewall quality and not have to sand it at all.
Onulus originally approached us with a project that had some unique requirements, and they also needed to move to market quickly, so that meant prototyping and manufacturing on the same machine with the same material. The H350 by Stratasys was really the only solution for Onulus. Its chemical resistance, fine feature detail, and overall durability meant that they could produce parts that were going to last and function exactly as they needed.
So far, my experience with these Stratasys machines they're very reliable. They work like they should. They make nice parts, and if there ever has been an issue or a bug, they know what it is and how to fix it.
With Stratasys Direct, it's nice to be able to send parts over, have them review it, and give us good suggestions on a technology or a material that would work best.
We had prototyped the driver cooling duct out of ASA, and then when we talked to Stratasys Direct about what we needed, the application, and the quantities that we needed, Stratasys Direct actually recommended that we go with SAF.
Quite honestly, we wouldn't have the car we've got today without Stratasys involved.
What kind of parts do we make on the Stratasys printers? Honestly, the answer is anything our customers throw at us.